Hi guys, this is Carmen from Easy Language. Welcome back to my Introduction to Cantonese series. This is the 7th video and I will be teaching you how to say the months in Cantonese. So it's very easy, so let's go. So forming the months is similar to forming the days, but instead it is the other way around. So what I mean by that is instead of saying the word for month and then the day as in a number, we say the number first that corresponds with the month's position in the year, and then we say the word for month. How do we say the word for month? It's very simple, there's only one word for it, which is you. You. So remember we have the YU, so that means your mouth has to be more like, kind of like circular, more round. Okay, so like you. And it is an inaudible T, so you do not say yut, we say yut. Okay? For example, we have sa, yi, yut. And what does that mean? December, because sa, yi is 12. Tat, yut means July, because tat means 7. So here we go. We've got January, yut plus yut. Yut, yut. February, yi yut. Yi yut. March, sam yut. Sam yut. April, say yut. Say yut. May, yut. Yut. June, 6月 6月 July, 7月 7月 August, 8月 8月 September, 9月 9月 October, 10月 10月 November, 11月 11月 and finally December, 12月 12月 That's all for today. So a very short video and a very simple video. So feel free to go back, replay, pause, test yourself and so on. Alright? So if you liked this video, if you enjoyed it, if you've learned something new and if it's useful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and I'll see you in my next lesson. Bye!